Hey there, my name is Michael Martinez and welcome to the Solo Piano Connection. Have you ever tried getting good audio into your phone while you were possibly filming a little music video for Facebook or Instagram? Well, now I've figured out a couple things that you can do to have great audio going right into your phone while recording or streaming. So let's check it out. So this small device here is a Behringer U-Control UCA202 interface. So what I'm doing, I'm taking the output directly from my keyboard or your mixer board, which goes from USB, and I have an adapter that goes from USB female to Lightning directly into my iPhone. So that's how I'm getting good audio. Let's take a look and see how this is done. What we want to do now is, in order to get the audio straight into our Behringer U-Control, we need this type of cable right here. So it's an RCA, left and right stereo cable here. We could either take it, depending on how your mixer board is set up, either from the tape output, correct, right? Which is the same as a main out here in this case. Or we could take it from the main out, right here, but we're going to need an adapter because it's 1/4 inch. So I have these RCA to 1/4 inch adapters. We're going to put these on here. Now we're able to take the main out 1/4 inch. So now if you have any other devices, like my keyboard here, stereo. All right, so my keyboard input is going to go right here, line 3. If you have any microphone that you need to set up for talking, you could set it up right here. Just remember that anything that you put into this mixer board is going to, the output is going to take it right to our interface that's connected to our phone. Now that we have all our audio set up in our mixer board and ready to transmit into our iPhone, let's take a look at how we connect these pieces together. So it's going to look like that, and we're going to plug it directly in our phone. See, just like that. So now this is going to have all our audio going into our phone, so when we go on Facebook Live or Instagram Live, all of the audio that's coming into the mixer board will go straight into our live stream. Also take notice that when you plug your iPhone in, the green light will show up on the Behringer U-Control interface, meaning that it is on and it is pushing audio through your device. So if that green light is not on, that means your audio is not going into your iPhone for your stream. So I'm just putting on my headphones to monitor the sound. So as you could see, I have a nice microphone plugged into my mixer board, so I'm controlling it right now through here, and my piano. So you want to make sure you get those levels nice and hot there, and make sure it's at an even level. So let's check it out. So that's how everything sounded through my iPhone from my mixer going into the Behringer UCA control, straight from the adapter right into my iPhone. So this is straight from my mixer board. So there you go. That's how everything sounds.